Hello friends, let's crochet together a little sea turtle. We need two colors of YarnArt Jeans and the size of my hook is 1.6. Also we need eyes, threads for embroidery and some beads for decoration. Let's start from the head. Make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop of the round and a chain. In the second round we make 6 increases, 2 single crochets in each loop. 1, 2 in the first loop, 3 and 4 in the second, 5 and 6 in the third, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 6 increases with 1 single crochet between them. Increase in the first loop and 1 single crochet in the second loop and repeat. Increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, and one more time increase and 1 single crochet, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 6 increases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase in the third loop and repeat. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, and continue till the end of the round. Now we have 24 loops in the round, and we make the next 5 rounds without changes for 24 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 21, 22, 23, 24. A slip stitch and a chain, and we've made 9 rounds. In the next round we make 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we make 4 decreases with 1 single crochet between them. The first decrease, then 1 single crochet. The second decrease, 1 single crochet. The third decrease, 1 single crochet, and the last decrease, and then we make 5 single crochets till the end of the round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A slip stitch, a chain, and in the next round we make without changes 20 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 20. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then decreases. The first decrease, then 1 single crochet. The second decrease, then 1 single crochet. The third decrease, 1 single crochet, and the last decrease, and then 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch, a chain, and in the next round we make 16 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 16, a slip stitch, a chain, and we leave the long end of the thread to sew the head to the body. Now let's fix the eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there are 13 stitches between the eyes. Make the holes. And fix the eyes. Add fiber fill and make white stripes under the eyes. And the last step is embroidering the smile. Hide inside all the threads, and the head is ready. See you in the next part.